Welcome back to the channel. So today we will be solving this very important problem, a top interview problem, remove elements. Okay. So let's see the input and output or the problem statement. So the problem statement is given an integer array nums and integer val, remove all occurrences of val in nums in place. Okay. So if you see here in the input, we have this nums array and we have one val and we need to remove all the occurrences of val from this array. So if you see here, we have 3, 2, 2, 3. So we need to remove 3 from here. That is, in the output, we will have only 2, 2. And that too, like we do not have to return the array. We just need to return the number of element in the output array, right? The catch here is we need to solve this in place. So what is the meaning of in place? So if you click here, it will go to the Wikipedia. The meaning of in place is we don't have to use any extra space. Okay, let's see how we can approach this problem. So for solving this, the one way can be like using an extra space, right? We can use one extra space and we can have all the elements which are not equal to val and we can return the length of it, right? So this is the brute force approach. But how we can solve this using um, uh, without using any extra space? So like what we can do, since we need to bring all the values which are not equal to val at the beginning, right? We need to bring all the values which are not equal to 3 at the beginning of the array. So we can have one helper pointer which will start from 0, and what we will do, we will keep on checking this array, like array values. If that is not equal to val, like what we will do, we will check if that is not equal to val, then we will write a of helper is equal to a of I, right? And we will keep on increasing the helper. And once this loop will get exhausted, we will have all the elements which are not equal to val at the beginning, and it doesn't matter what we left after those elements, right? And we will return the helper. So wherever this helper will end, that will be our answer, right? Or that we can say that the length of the array. So let's see the code, right? Okay, so as I mentioned, we will have this helper pointer. This will be starting from here, right? Let me give the index. So this is 0, that is helper. We will check if nums of I is not equal to val, is 3 is not equal to 3, that is false, right? So this will not get executed. Again, this I will come over here, right? I will come over here. Okay, let me give the I above. Okay, so again, I will come over here. Is nums of I, that is 2, is not equal to, yes, that is the case. So nums of helper is equal to nums of I. So nums of helper is uh, like this 3 will be replaced with 2 because here we have 2, right? And then again helper will increase, so helper will come over here. So let me bring this to here. This is helper, and now I will be here. Is this 2, I is here, right? Is this 2 is not equal to 3? 2 is not equal to 3. Yes, that is the case. So nums of helper is equal to nums of I. So here again 2 will come here. 2 is already there, so it will be interchange, right? Again this helper will increase. Helper will come over here, and I will come over here, right? Is 3 3 not equal to 3? No, that is not the case. So this loop will not get executed, and I will come over here, and we will be like out of the array. And what is the index of this h? H is 2, right? So we will return from 2 from here, right? 2 will be returned, and that is the length of the array, right? That is the length of the array where the value is not equal to val. So I think yes, this is the answer, and this is the piece of code, simple code, right? This is the easy category problem. So you will not see the like a lot of code over here, but the trick is very important. Like I will be solving two more problem related to this logic, right? So stay tuned for those videos, right? So let's discuss the time complexity and space complexity of this problem. So the time complexity is O of n, right? Because we are just looping through the array, and space complexity is O of 1 because we are not using any of the extra space, right? Yes, we have solved this problem. So if you like this content, please do like, subscribe, and share the channel. And if you are new to this channel, you may check out the other playlist also. We have a lot of interview related playlists in for PySpark, for SQL, for Pandas, and you can see this TSA series, right? So yes, let's meet in the next problem. Until then, bye.